Today we discuss about e-way bill system. Threshold limit for invoice value 50,000. It is compulsory to generate e-way bill by the companies through transporters or on his own ID created by companies. Less than 50,000 not required. Documents required for e-way bill: tax invoice, delivery challan, bill of supplies, including showing GST value of the goods and transport charges, etc. Authorized commercial transporters issued ID numbers. Unregistered truck and vehicle will issued instantly ID on e-way portals. Consignor and consignee both should have GST numbers, and EWB 1 form required to generate e-way bill. If company transporter sending multiple consignment, different invoices and different goods and different values, can use GST WB2 form. Issues consolidated e-way bill. Validity of e-way bill after issuance of 24 hours and 120 kilometers valid. It depends upon the destination of the vehicle to reach the goods to consignee. Time depends upon the distance and how many states it is passing through vehicle, and distance that indicates the validity of the e-way bill. Air cargo, defense government, customs goods not required e-way bills. Weighment is compulsory. Under one invoice and one e-way bill policy concept, multiple transporters having different IDs, no need to generate different e-way bills. It is much easier, less paper and more transparency. Carrying of goods is easy for drivers, lorry owners, and e-way bill shows all the details through online. LR invoice transport copy, weighment transport charges are compulsory. To avoid any misappropriations by transporters, this e-way bill system is more convenient and clarity is gives through this e-way bill system. E-way bill system works with more clarity and transparency. Thank you very much.